In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can send a video from gallery as a streak on Snapchat. The first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. Now, this feature is built into Snapchat. Previously, you needed the third-party application, but you can now do this straight from Snapchat. All you want to do is tap on the search bar at the top. Then you want to type in video photo upload. Select this filter. Now from your gallery, you can simply select your preferred video. Now you can long press the circle icon at the bottom. This will record the selected gallery video as a streak. Release your finger after capturing, then tap next. After that, you can simply select the friends that you want to send this to, and then tap on the send icon. In this way, you can successfully send a gallery video as streak on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.